Today we're going to be giving you a little sneak peek of Scout. We've got the devices in hand and the software ready to go, so we want to give you a quick overview. First up, we have the motion sensor. It's a passive infrared motion sensor. As you can see, it's very small, fits in the palm of your hands. On the back, you've got the adhesive strip, so you can mount this in a corner. You also have the screw eyelet, so you can mount this flat on a wall. Or the industrial design allows you just to stand this on a shelf freestanding. Next up, we have the open-close sensor. It's a two-piece device, very small, going to sit flush on your window frame. On the back, you've got the same adhesive inset so you can easily mount this to a window, door, cabinet, etc. The third device is the entry door panel. It's a two-part device. It's going to monitor both the opening and closing of a door, and it's also an RFID reader, so when you don't have your phone, you can manually arm and disarm the system. This device also has a 106 decibel siren, which you can see here. The siren is in both the base station and the arm disarm panel, so when an alert occurs, you're going to get redundant sirens and it's quite loud. Here's the RFID fob that goes on your keychain. It's quite thin, very small. You can use this when you don't have your phone. Next up, we have the base station. This is the brains of the system, and all the sensors connect to the hub and out to our servers. The base station has a 106 decibel siren, a backup battery, and a 3G cellular chip. So if the internet goes out or the power goes out, your system is going to stay online. So we're going to switch gears now and look at the software for Scout. What you're looking at is the home screen for your house. And what you'll see is there's 4 default modes that you'll set up during the installation process: home, away, sleep, and vacation. And we're going to walk you through arming and disarming the system and showing some of the sensors in action. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you the system being armed by the RFID reader. Here we're using the fob to activate the away mode. You'll see that on screen it comes up and shows as being locked. And now we're going to trigger the system with the open-close sensor. So you hear that go off. That means the system is in countdown mode, and the alarm will go off if we don't disarm it. But we're going to use the RFID key fob again here to show you disarming the system. So we just touch the RFID fob to the entry door panel. Then you'll see the away mode get disarmed and go back to its normal state. Now we're going to show you arming from the app. So we just press the button on screen. That's like you'd be pressing it on your phone. We're triggering the system with the entry door panel, and you're going to hear the alarm start to count down and eventually go off. I'm going to shorten the time here. Usually there's 30 seconds, but we want you to hear the alarm without having to wait that full time. So we're going to let the alarm go off now and show you it being disarmed again. So here we go. So now we want to do a quick freeze frame without the alarm on. What you're seeing here is a heads-up display giving you the latest activity that's happening in the home and options about how you want to handle that alert. So you can call police, view more activity, or you can choose to disarm the system like we're going to do here by clicking on the icon. The last thing we want to show you is the installation process. So we've mentioned that you'll have real-time feedback as you install through your mobile app. So you can tell if the sensor is connected and whether it's registering any events. So here you'll see the app reacting to the sensor opening and closing. So you're confirming that that aspect of the device is working. You can also test the RFID portion of it and confirm that the system is arming and disarming as you intended. So that's the update for now. We've got some more work to do, but looking forward to getting a new update out to you in the next few weeks.